Good morning, everybody. First weekend of February. It is 26 degrees. It's pretty cold. Everything's frozen over, but the fish survived in the water trough. I put the heaters in, and they seem to be okay. They're just all at the bottom, not moving. Typical what fish do when they're frozen. Um, but let me give you an update on what's going on and what I plan to do today. Push this over. Okay, so the first modules are up. So this is going to give everyone a rough taste of what I plan on doing. I know there's a glare, sun's bright, everything's frozen. So these are the modules, right there. Okay, I'm going to build 8 of these to complete this little circle here. Oh, God damn it. Alright, so we're going to connect there, 8-foot spans, connect there. It's all going to have their own legs and everything. It's going to go over there to that concrete post. Come here. Boom. Then I'm going to have to fabricate a little crooked bridge that's not going to have legs, but it's just going to be, once I get everything level over here, I'll be able to build this and attach it to each module. And my goal is to get this circle put up, leveled. That way I can start staining it as it gets warmer, and then I can build along the same track plan. So what I'm going to plan on doing is trying, as I'm building these modules, I'm going to do a time-lapse video, and then a time-lapse video of me putting them on, and then after that, that'll be it. That's going to be today's update. If I get a lot done, I get a lot done. If I don't, well, it's cold. All right, everybody. All right, so 3 of my modules are built. Forgive me, the time-lapse video was not cooperating with me at all. So I just built them, and I'm going to explain. 8-foot 2x4 sections with 11-inch 2x4 center. The reason why there's only 2 is that way I can tweak it to get it level and then make it permanent down on the ground. The objective is I'm going to zip them in to the fence just so I can get them the level I want, and then I'm going to build the legs in accordance with the terrain that's there. It's easier for me, especially that way I don't have to dig around, pour concrete, and this allows me to move them around, and then I can always add blocks underneath if I wanted to move it to a different side of the yard, or take it to a terrain show or whatever. You're going to notice these are not treated 2x4s. Well, the price is pretty expensive right now. So I got studs, and I got some stain and some sealer, and that's going to go a long way. I mean, 75% of my terrain outside right now is built off studs, and it's held up pretty well next to the windstorm and everything. So we're going to see how this works, and I'm going to go ahead and lay these out, and I'll get back to you. All right, first 3 modules are in, level. For the most part level. I'll fine tweak it when I get the entire square built, I guess if you want to call it that. But so far it's looking pretty good. That's to give a rough estimate, rough look at how the whole thing's going to be. I'm going to come this way to right here, and then straight down the line where the old track is, and then curve and connect. And then after I build that, get the tracks laid and everything, then I will go from here along the old path, curve right here where the Gnome Bridge was, concreted pillar, building a lift bridge. That way I can get the mower in, wheelbarrow in, whatnot. And the Gnome Bridge was set on top. That way we can walk over it. And then back over there. Stay tuned. All right, all modules are in place. Tomorrow we start the staining process on this section just so I can get an oval track going. So far so good. All right, as we're coming to an end of weekend number 2, we got everything fully stained. I worked on some of the landscape, moving the old railroad ties out to square it in. Everything's level. And then I went to Lowe's and got a few fence pickets. I'm going to need a whole bunch more, but this is what I got cut so far, so I can work on this curve to see if it's enough. That way, if I have to bring everything out, I'm not too far into it to where I can't correct myself. So, it's getting dark. I'm going to finish anchoring these 10 slats in. And then after that, I'm going to bring the curves out here to see if I can get both inner loop and outer loop. After that, it's all downhill from here. Just got to order some more planks, get them cut. Luckily, it's 14 inches wide all the way, and then 28 inches wide going across, and then I think 15 inches, and then back down to 14 inches. And then right around here, around this curve, is where I'm probably going to do a trellis. So that's where I stopped here, and then I'll be drawn like a legit trellis this time. So that's what I got. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for weekend number 3. See you on the rails.